Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video I'll show you how to transfer data in eFootball. First, open Play Store or App Store in iPhone. Search for eFootball, make sure it's the official game by Konami. Once the installation is complete, open the game on the start screen. Don't create a new account yet if you already have existing data. Now select your language and select your region. Enter your date of birth. Now let's transfer your old data. Tap on the menu icon or go to support, then select data transfer. Choose transfer by Konami ID. Log in using your Konami ID, the same one you used on your old device. If you haven't linked your account yet, go back to your old device. Open eFootball and link your data fast using the same method. After logging the game, will start loading your saved data, the included your players, coins, progress and settings. For the process to complete, make sure we have stable internet connection to avoid any errors during transfer. Once done, your account will be fully restored on your new device and you can continue playing right where you left off. That's it, you have successfully downloaded and transfer your eFootball data. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment for more eFootball tutorials. Thank you.